Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we start, hit like and subscribe. It's easier than finding an open shop on a Sunday in Germany, and that's saying something. Your support means a lot. Now, let's get started. Question number 61. Who is required to indicate a change of driving direction here? Me. True. If you're turning, it's important to use indicators to inform other road users of your intention. The red car. True. The red car, also intending to turn, must use indicators for safety and clarity. The motorbike. True. The motorcyclist, like all motorists, must indicate when changing direction or turning. Question number 62. When do you have to indicate a change in direction? Before turning into a junction or a property lot. True. Indicating a turn into any area off the main road is required for safe driving. If I want to continue following a priority road that changes direction. True. Signaling your continued path on a changing priority road is necessary for clarity. If I want to continue straight on, thereby leaving a priority road that changes direction. False. If you're continuing straight, no indication is needed unless leaving the priority road. Question number 63. Why are you required to stop now? Red vehicle. False. The red vehicle alone does not necessitate stopping. Cyclist. True. Yielding to cyclists when turning is essential for road safety. Green vehicle. True. Primary reason to stop in this context. Question number 64. You want to turn left. In what sequence do you prepare to take the left turn? Indicate the direction of turn, enter the lane, observe traffic behind you. False. This sequence is not the safest approach. Enter the lane, indicate the direction of turn, observe traffic behind you. False. Signaling should be done before lane changes. Observe traffic behind you, indicate the direction of turn, enter the lane. True. Observing, signaling, and then changing lanes is the safest method. Question number 65. What is the right course of action? I have to wait at the stop line. True. Stopping at the stop line is necessary for safety and to observe right-of-way rules. I have to allow the cyclist to pass through. True. Yielding to cyclists ensures their safety and adheres to traffic regulations. I may make the turn in front of the cyclist. False. Turning in front of a cyclist can be dangerous and is typically not allowed. Question number 66. You want to turn left. To whom must you give priority? Oncoming cyclists. True. Cyclists have the right of way, and yielding to them is necessary for safety. Oncoming vehicles. True. Vehicles coming from the opposite direction have priority when turning. Pedestrians seeking to cross the road into which I am turning. True. Pedestrians crossing the road you are turning into have the right of way. Question number 67. You want to turn left. What difficulties could arise here? Misunderstandings with oncoming traffic turning left. True. Miscommunications can occur, so extra caution is needed. Traffic turning left can come dangerously close. True. Proximity to oncoming traffic requires careful maneuvering. Visibility restrictions caused by oncoming vehicles. True. Large vehicles can obstruct the view, making it harder to turn safely. Question number 68. Why are you required to stop now? Because of the white car. False. The white car is not the primary reason to stop. Because of the tram. True. Trams have the right of way, and you must yield to them. Because of the cyclist. False. The cyclist is not the main reason for stopping in this situation. Question number 69. What is the right course of action here? Do not overtake the moped before the rail crossing. True. Overtaking before a rail crossing can be dangerous and is generally not advised. Overtake the moped before the rail crossing once the cyclist is out of the way. False. Overtaking in this scenario is risky and should be avoided. Overtake the moped while allowing sufficient space to the side. False. Even with enough space, overtaking before a rail crossing is not safe. Question number 70. Why are you required to brake now? Because of the motorbike. True. The approaching motorcycle is a hazard, requiring you to slow down. Because of the van. False. The van is not the immediate reason to brake in this scenario. Because of the cyclist. False. The cyclist is not the primary reason for braking here. Question number 71. Why do you have to wait before turning right? Because of the cyclist. True. Cyclists have the right of way, and it's essential to wait for them to pass before turning. Because of the black car. False. The black car's position does not affect the decision to turn right. Because of the pedestrian. True. Pedestrians in the crosswalk have priority, necessitating a stop until they have safely crossed. Question number 72. What must you be aware of here? Give the car right of way. True. The blue car already in the roundabout has the right of way. Indicate when entering the roundabout. False. You have to indicate when you are leaving the roundabout, not when you are entering. Continue to brake. True. Braking is necessary to assess whether the blue car is exiting the roundabout or not. Question number 73. You want to turn left? What driving line should you maintain? The central one. False. The central line is not always the correct choice for turning. The right-hand one. False. The right-hand line is incorrect for a left turn. The left-hand one. True. In a one-way street without oncoming traffic, use the leftmost lane for a left turn. Question number 74. The cyclist wants to continue straight ahead. What is the right course of action here? I remain behind the cyclist. True. Staying behind the cyclist is the safest option to avoid any potential collision. I overtake the cyclist. False. Overtaking could endanger the cyclist, especially at intersections. Question number 75. Why must you wait before taking a turn in this situation? Because of the truck. True. The truck has the right of way, and you must yield to oncoming traffic before turning. Because of the pedestrian. False. The pedestrian does not affect the turn in this scenario. Because of the motorbike. True. Like the truck, the motorcycle also has the right of way, and you must wait before turning. Question number 76. Who has to indicate in this situation? Me. True. Indicating a turn or lane change is essential for safe driving, regardless of road priority. The blue car. True. The blue car, making a turn, must use indicators to signal their intent. The red car. False. The red car's actions are not specified, but indication is generally required for any turn or lane change. Question number 77. What is the right course of action now? I brake. True. Braking is necessary to avoid endangering the overtaking motorcyclist and ensure safety. I continue on the right-hand lane for now. True. Staying in your lane without sudden changes is the safest option when being overtaken. I move without delay into the left-hand lane. False. Abrupt lane changes can create dangerous situations, especially when being overtaken. Question number 78. Why are you not allowed to take the turn now? Yellow car? True. The yellow car driving straight ahead has right of way, which you must yield to. Red vehicle. False. The red vehicle does not appear to be a factor in this decision. Green car. False. The green car is not relevant to the decision not to turn at this moment. Question number 79. What must you anticipate in this situation? The pedestrian will wait. False. The pedestrian is likely to cross as they have the right of way. The blue car will drive straight onwards. True. Anticipate that the blue car may continue straight, possibly not stopping due to the obscured traffic light. The red bus will begin to move immediately. False. The bus is unlikely to move immediately as passengers are still boarding. Question number 80. Why are you required to stop now? Because of the electric scooter. True. The electric scooter, having the right of way, necessitates a stop. Because of the pedestrians. False. Pedestrians are not the primary reason for stopping in this situation. Because of the tram. False. The tram is not a factor in the decision to stop here.